Okay, I want to show you I'm moving this template over to get into the inside routing here to get rid of this new wood that's been glued in. My screw here was on the outside, largest hole, and now I'm going to move it into the inside here. Let it fall right in the same hole. Screw that puppy in there. And I do it kind of tight because I don't want it to come loose and slide on this cheap 1/4-inch plywood here. But now it's writing into, I'll take a look at it, pull it out of here, and make sure that it's writing inside of that. I believe it is.